So this is what we're making today. We are making the Parmesan-Crusted chicken, and this is what it's going to look like. And then here I have the two. Like I have mentioned to you guys in the past video, I'm only cooking for my husband and I, but I do get for 4 people instead of just us two, just because I didn't know how big and or small the portions were. We got our knife, we got our cutting board, and now we are going to open this. Everything that comes inside of the bag. I'm just gonna go ahead and take it out. I kind of set everything out. I kind of just like plopped it here. I'm gonna go ahead and kind of try to show you guys what I'm doing. Okay, so I'm gonna show you guys what I'm doing. Here I'm just getting the panko crumbs. Okay, there. And it says that it's about half of a cup. So I already have, I don't know if you guys can see the pot there, but I already have the water started to boil. I added salt and pepper. And then I have the oven preheating. So I'm just gonna roll the clip and just do everything that this is saying. And once again, I'm gonna be using the bag as a trash can. So I'm gonna roll the clip here. This is what the chicken looks like. I didn't follow directions and I ended up putting the panko before the mayo, but it's okay. I kind of just smothered it on top. I think it should be fine. Said I put the chicken in for about 10 minutes. This water is now boiling, so first what I'm gonna do is these tomatoes. We have to put the olive oil, and then it says to put a lot of salt and pepper, so I'm just gonna do that, and then I'm gonna sprinkle them on the side of the chicken, and then after that I'll go ahead and add, I don't want to drop this, the spaghetti, and this, it's just the long regular type of spaghetti. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that. So that's one of the little boxes of tomato, and here is the second one. So like I said, I just made room. I put them on the side, and I'm gonna go ahead and set the timer here. It says for about like 9 minutes or so. I'm gonna pop that in the oven, and at the same time, because the pasta should only cook for about 9 to 11 minutes, I'm gonna go ahead, add the pasta, and then mix it in right away. Chicken and the tomatoes. I did turn off the oven, so I'm just kind of letting it sit there for a little bit. So you guys could kind of see, I added the lemon zest. It only requires for a pinch, but I ended up using the entire lemon that was provided to me. I used the entire zest. That is the cream cheese. There are certain things that it doesn't ask for, but I still added them. I added basil, oregano, salt, pepper, and then I just need to put the remaining water. And this is kind of what it looks like, and it's all done. I know that I was provided with cream cheese, but I went ahead and added 2 more of these cream cheeses that I have. They're each 1 ounce. So I added 2 more ounces of cream cheese.